right? Alright. Yeah. Another cigarette burning in my ashtray. Same bill collector still calling me from last week. They riding on my back and now I'm feeling like a taxi. Feeling how I'm feeling. If you feel like you gon' ask me. Preacher man on the TV trying to sell me some hope. I need it, I know, but in a healthier dose. Addicted to the spitting and I should've left it alone. Struggle to break the surface, but these methods are old. I tried everything, but that medicine was a must. They had everything, but they never did what they loved. The evidence was enough. Your second win was abrupt. They thought they wanted it all, but it isn't enough. Cause in the long run, your life only plays out until the song's done. My daddy tell me hold it down while I'm gone, son, but what he gon' done? So many choices, it's not my fault. You picked the wrong ones. I keep thinking it's me, you keep thinking I'm right, and he eventually sees he's doing things out of spite. And none of this is worth it no more. It's perfect before, but now you only hurting his soul. The same tune in your head like you heard it before. You know the song, featuring you turn it to dough. It's like the feeling you won't gone, but certainly won't. Cause the same feeling is there when the curtains are closed and set. Oh, down the road we ain't been before. The same shit, another bill knocking on my door. Mr. Postman, please don't come no more. Can't get what I ain't got, you can't get no more. Here we go, down the road, like here we go. Down the road, like here we go. Down the road, like here we go. Down the road. They say it's all fun and games. Rapping for a living, am I living for the fame? Running from reality, it's numbing up the pain. Do another show, is this something that I gain? When I struggle for some change, am I humble in my vein? Quote me if I'm wrong, if they're nothing in the same. Cover up the shame, cause you buckled under flames. Can't stand the heat and get the fuck about the game. There's enough for you today to make me quit and walk away. Grandpa, you can see me now, looking down with a smile. You would be so proud, thinking why I made it, do I need no how? Living without a limit, teaching me no bounds. But I rose to the occasion alone and I made it. Took the cards I was dealt, just rolled and I played it. Haters, they don't wanna see me make it. Take it, swallow your pride and just face it. Go down the road we ain't been before. The same shit, another bill knocking on my door. Mr. Postman, please don't come no more. Can't get what I ain't got, you can't get no more. Here we go, down the road, like here we go. Down the road, like here we go. Down the road, like here we go. Down the road. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely. Get a little bit lonely. And I know so do you. Like, every now and then I get a little bit lonely. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely. And I know so do you. Like every now and then I get a little bit lonely. Every now and then I get